Okay, so I just realized how crappy this garage is for lighting. I mean, I've been switching bulbs everywhere I go, and it's just not good. So onto the rear bumper. So I've had this bumper for about 6 months. Well, not looking too pretty either, I guess. Not totally sure why. I've done some reading on it, and just for a quick analysis that I've done, you know, I've even sent an email to Raptor and sent pictures and be like, why is it doing this on a bumper that I was like, it looked great. I was like, nothing's been touched, and I was like, nothing's been scraped up. And the email was, hi, usually sandblasting them and putting epoxy on them to seal them works. You have to seal the entire bumper as best you can. The epoxy primer is non-porous and stops moisture from reaching the substrate. Sometimes where the bumper bolts make contact with the bumper and cut through the top coat can be an issue. So unless that is the total issue, I do not know. I'm not really too bummed out about it again. I mean, it kind of sucks, but I mean, like I said, it's cosmetics again, and not the end of the world. I mean, even my spray paint job of the Arc 1 is already peeled right off. So, but I mean, we had issues with some spray cans. My cans clogged up again and stuff like that, but whatever. I mean, I want to get them kind of all professionally painted again anyways. Even my front plate that I have there, I want them all done properly so I don't have to do them again. You know, that I've got a few plates that I can do. Hopefully I can just get them all painted now. So yeah, hazard lights have been great. I have an issue with wire right now, but it's just been so cold. I can't do everything right now, and I don't really care to do anything right now. It's not worth my time. It can wait if it doesn't work, because I'm not going to spend hours in the cold tracing down an issue for a set of emergency lights when I've got more than enough bright lights with just hazard lights as it is. So, but overall, the bumper's been great. I've used it to tug a few people out even. I still love it. I mean, it's a clean bumper. I mean, I love the high clearance on it. A lot of people like stare down this truck everywhere I go. I just love the look of it, and I haven't really scraped it up too much yet, but it's been holding just fine. I haven't really had to tweak anything, you know, other than I guess the Raptor liner failing in some form there. Then that's pretty much it for that bumper, guys. I've loved it ever since, though. I have no regrets with it. It just sucks about the Raptor line. On to the sliders.
I almost forgot, guys. So right after I came back from BC, my buddy gave me his trailer to clean up and then take it back to my place to store for a couple weeks. So I ended up testing out the bumper. Couple things I found out. The factory Toyota hitch is too small. It's too short. It won't fit in the holes, so you have to get the Tundra one. The Tundra one works beautifully for this. It's a little bit longer and it's perfect. So get that one, or you know, get a longer one in general that you have, whatever. So, but I had to get that, and then as you saw in those photos there, it was actually really level compared to what I had with the stock hitch. I had no problems with anything. The Raptor liner did not seem to bunch up too much in the holes there, which was nice, so I didn't have a problem getting the pin in. Plugging it in and all that was really nice underneath there. It was really nice and smooth plug and play there. So those reverse lights worked beautifully for when I parked it there at night. So yeah, no, I love this bumper for that too. It is not hitch rated or anything by all means, guys. I would say it's a lot stronger than the factory hitch was. I mean, the gussets on this thing are absolutely insane. So, but like I said, that was a 2,000-pound trailer and it had no issues pulling it. And like I said, it was pretty level there. So just look at that photo again. It sat really good. I mean, I don't have any fancy leaf springs. Have a good one, guys.